Hi, I'm Eve from Sunlit. Today I'll show you our 3-inch cutting and embossing machine. This small machine comes with one base plate, one cutting plate, one embossing plate, and one rubber pad. Push the suction cup lever so it can adhere to any smooth surface. I love the 3-inch wide opening. Most brands are 2.5 inches or less. That's a big difference. So many dies can fit into this machine. Let's make a nice tag with the die cut. We'll use the base plate and the cutting plate. Place your material on the cutting plate with the die face down. Put the base plate on top, and then easily roll the sandwich on through the machine. Let's take a look. And you've got a nice tag. You can add these eyelets in any creative way you like. To create more texture like this on the leaf, we'll add the rubber pad. But first, we use the cutting and base pad again to cut the leaf. And now we roll it through, just like before. But this time, we leave the paper inside the die cut like this. Now I'm going to add my rubber pad here. I add my die face down and put the base plate on top. Then I'm going to run it through the machine. It's so easy. You can create different kinds of extra texture using the rubber pad. Now we're going to see some magic. Now I'm going to show you how to use one of our embossing folders. This time, your sandwich will be the base plate and the embossing plate. Place your material right inside this embossing folder and put it in between the two plates. Now, place your sandwich into the machine. I prefer to roll it through hinge first for this lovely embossed look. Even though this machine is tiny, it's very versatile and would be a great addition to any crafter's room. Thank you.